since we have the star of the show right here, I'm going to have my Shark Cub do the honors here. All right, let's see what this EDC pouch is all about, shall we? First things first, I like that this one is all blacked out. That's looking pretty good. If they have other colors, future me, check the website and put it on the screen right there. But the all blacked out really looks nice, and it's not overly done, right? Just have the Demko knives. There's a nice little Velcro section right here where you can start putting some of your favorite patches as well, which is cool. I think for right now, just to kind of showcase how it works, we have a Fair Monster one right here. Bam, that one takes up quite a bit of real estate. I got my boy Johnny, Bluminati Ninja right here. I'm going to pop that in there as well. And yeah, these are going to stick pretty good, no doubt. And I think I have, what is this, a Wixco one right here. So brand new budget sister brand from Fair Monster and good old Vosteed, which they've been including on all their pouches here for quite a while. So that kind of gets, you know, gets the point across, or gets the idea across. Now, let's go ahead and find out, first of all, what we have. Before I even go into the zippers, we have a nice pocket right here on both sides. So we can put like a tactical pen in there. We can put anything, you know, skinny like that, a flashlight if it's narrow enough on both sides. I'm going to go my tactical pen here on one side. There we go. And I'm just going to throw a good old Zebra F301 on the other side. There we go. And then we got this whole section over here, which you can put, you know, as much as you want on there. Looks like we can undo these and just re-loop them over if we need to, depending on what we are carrying on this side. We can also attach some stuff. Say I wanted to throw my Demko Shark Cub right there. I can also clip it on like that, or here. You can definitely clip on a few knives on there, or other items that have a pocket clip like so. Can maybe throw in there my Wuben X2 Pro, right? This one has a pocket clip as well. So, you know, as long as it has a pocket clip, you can throw it on here. And a good multi-tool for fair measure, right? I got the FREE P4 right here from Leatherman, right? Good old USA made goodness. This one has a pocket clip. There we go. So, I mean, again, I'm not setting out to create the perfect setup just yet. Just going over, you know, what some of the possibilities. What are the endless possibilities that you could have here? I mean, you name it. I'm sure you probably have something in mind here or there that you already going to put on an EDC pouch like this. If you already have an EDC pouch, right, you know what's up. And if you don't, I mean, these are some of the best things to have around, especially in a situation where maybe you're going out for the weekend or going out of town or something. You already have kind of like a kit prepped. So zipper pouch here kind of opens the whole wide mouth, right, which is nice. The zipper goes all the way around to the other side like that. So it definitely opens nice and wide right there. Good old silica gel and an airbag. Let's see. First of all, we got a zipper right over here. You can also put some other stuff. You can also see it. There's even a kind of like a elastic little holder section right inside. We have, oh, there we go. This is perfect. So if you wanted to hang this up somewhere, we have a little hanger at the top. So that's neat, and it folds away very easily too. That's pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie right there, right? So let's see, got a little secret pocket right here as well. It's actually pretty pocket sized too in here. So maybe you put your grill in there, right? Nice and tucked away. But wait, there's more. So we got a nice little section right here, and then you got this inside section here. So obviously we have some elastic. Let me see if I can zoom in here a little bit. So we got some different elastic holder pockets in here. Right, about 3 of them. As you can see, maybe I'm too zoomed in. There we go. This is a little bit better. Place about 3 different items on there. Let's try the whole. Well, let's go Leatherman FREE P4 on this side. Okay, that fell right in place. Look at that. Let's do the Wuben over here to the right. And again, I'm testing how stretchy these are because the Wuben X2 is a little bit on the wide side. But let's see, is it swallowing it? I think so. Look at that. It just swallowed that X2 Pro right there and the FREE P4. And last but not least, you know it, we're going to throw the AD 20.5 titanium here right in the middle. So boom, look at that. All 3 items nice and, you know, clipped in place with their appropriate pocket clip, and they're not going to be colliding into each other. There's like maybe like a 1/4 inch space in between each of the items, and it also leaves a little bit of space for some other stuff that you may want to have in here. Right, there's plenty of room there, plenty of room here, right, depending on what you got going on. So that's all obviously inside, so that will all be folded away when you close it up. And if we didn't have enough pouches and zippers and whatnot, there's an additional zipper right here. And we got another pocket. This one does show through the front, so that's neat. All right, so whatever you put on here, you can also see. You can see what you got there and here. In this other pocket. I mean, through all in all, I mean, it's a pretty interesting EDC little carry solution. So I say I throw a knife in there for demo purposes. I'm going to throw another knife in here for demo purposes. But this could be anything from, you know, lighter, multi-tools, flashlights, anything that you have in your EDC rotation, right? And then when you go to close it, there we go, line it up, zipper. Whether we have a nice little shark lock, little logo there on the zipper, all right, on both sides. So we can go about closing this guy up, and bam, there we go. Nice little EDC bag carry solution right here. Not too heavy, not too bulky. Very well thought out from Demko Knives. I'm digging it. Oh, by the way, you got a little carry, little loop right here, a little strap to carry and hold. Look at that. That feels really nice, you guys. So yeah, not bad at all. Definitely making a great first impression here in the channel, ladies and gentlemen. The Demko EDC bag. I'm pretty sure it has a tactical name to it somewhere. Future me, help me out. Guys, let me know your thoughts on this one. What do you love about it? What do you like about it, love about it? Is there anything you dislike about it? Let me know. And again, I will have a link down below. And I will be testing this thing. I definitely like to have kind of like on the go sort of EDC pouch whenever I go out of town, visit my in-laws, whatever the case may be. So this one is definitely going to come really handy for that. I can already see it. Hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one, either this one or this one. Peace.